Hey guys, welcome. My name is Belinda Matwali and I'm a meditation teacher, and in today's video I want to address the number one mistake that most people make when it comes to meditation. And if you're enjoying the videos on my channel, why not hit like and subscribe? I share all kinds of things about meditation, sound, energy, ecstasy, joy. These are all the things that light me up, and if they light you up too, make sure you hit subscribe. So what is the number one thing that most people kind of miss out when it comes to meditation? And for me, this is cultivating energy. A lot of people just sit down on their mat and kind of go straight into the meditation, which, you know, for some people that's fine, but for a lot of us, we often do feel like tired for whatever reason. We may have been at work all day, or maybe we didn't sleep well, or maybe we're still asleep when we get on the mat. So really cultivating and bringing a lot of energy into your body is really important, because in meditation, we want to awaken to ourselves inside. We don't want to fall asleep. Okay, I know sometimes people fall asleep in meditation and we say, yeah, that's what they needed in the time. But let's face it, that is not the aim of meditation. In meditation, we want to sit, we do all kinds of practices, you know, the pranayama and breathing and focusing our attention on different points in our body. And this all takes energy. So if you're coming like with an empty bucket and feeling tired, no doubt, you know, you close your eyes and you just switch off and you go to sleep. So this is by far the number one mistake most people make. If you're not doing some sort of energetic practice before your meditation, you're probably not really getting the most out of your meditation. You may be finding it hard to connect, you may be drifting off. And if you've cultivated energy first, you've got more fuel in your tank to direct your attention. Okay, so meditation is a process that does actually require energy, and then that energy is transmutated in the meditation into the awareness. So this is a really, really important tip, especially for beginners, because I see so many people trying and then they're like, oh, you know, I can't do this, I'm drifting, I'm falling asleep. Really focus on getting your energy set first. If you need resources for this, I've totally got your back. I've got a free mini course called Energy Now. You can sign up to that on my website, belindamatwali.com. It's 5 really simple free audios. They're 10 minutes each, and all of these are great to do before a meditation practice or just to energize you when you're out and about. And you can also check out my video about shaking. Shaking is incredible. I'll save it for the other video, so you can go and watch it there. So if you like this video, hit like, share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel if you want more about meditation, energy, joy, ecstasy, sound, and just all these good things about being a human being. Thanks for watching.